So after this, we have derived that Fourier trigonometry Fourier series. Here A naught, A n, B n are called trigonometry Fourier series coefficient. Okay, many times in exam, this question asked derive the Fourier series coefficient. Okay, so you have to start from the initial row. Okay, let us consider like ft is a periodic signal. From that itself, you have to start to derive the Fourier series coefficient. Okay, or you can we know that this ft, if ft is a periodic signal, then we can express this function. Okay, any signal, any periodic signal, we can make, or we can you can say it synthesize. Okay, you can synthesize means you can divide that ft periodic functions in terms of cos or sine terms. Okay, so what happened now, we have to going to derive this an or bn term. Okay, so let me derive an first. An. Okay, what is the value of an? How we can find this an? Can anybody say component? Since these are orthogonal functions, an is the coefficient. So I have given this last classes. Okay, let me give the concept. That's why previous classes concept should be clear. Like if ft, okay, is given or is approximate like c1 g1t plus c2 g2t. Okay, like up to cn, or you can say in between cj gjt, then up to cn gnt. Okay, if this is the function we have given, we have approximate or a close set, or you can say represents ft in terms of orthogonal function, the g1 g2 g3, then we have a function cj. Okay, cj, what is the equation? Integration t0 to t1 to t2. This function will come, ft will come first, ft, then gj, cj is there, then gj will come, t dt. Okay, and below is t1 to t2 gj dt, gj whole square dt. Okay, using this formula, okay, what we have learned in the previous classes, we will find this an below. So can anybody say what will be the an then? This is the coefficient, no? This is also coefficient, this is also coefficient. N would be, can anybody say n would be? The interval is given, initially I have given interval is t0 to t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught. So n will be, interval is t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught. Okay, interval is this. What is the ft? Here also ft is ft only, ft. Then what is the this gj? Here gj is cos n omega naught t, cos n omega naught t dt. Okay, by t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught by cos square n omega naught t dt. Okay, so this is the case. Now now the thing is that this, we have to find this numerator part. Okay, let me derive that. Take it as a 1. Take the numerator denominator part. Integration 0 t0 to t0 plus cos pi by omega naught cos square n omega naught t dt. Okay, you can write this. You can write this twice pi as a t also, no problem. Write it like this only, no problem. It will be give half t naught plus twice pi by omega naught. Okay, 1 plus cos twice n omega naught t dt. Okay, half. If you integrate this, okay, t will become here t, here cos will become sine 1 by twice n omega naught into sine will come sine t naught plus cos pi by omega naught by t naught this. Why I have written t here? Because t naught here t will come, then t naught plus twice pi by omega naught minus t naught cancel, twice pi by omega naught can be write t. That's why I have written t here. So after this it's over.
Sir, over, sir.
Then half t plus 1 by n omega naught. Just put the limits, okay? Sine 4 pi n plus twice n omega naught t minus sine twice n omega naught t. Half t plus 1 by twice n omega naught. This is one formula. Sine twice pi plus theta will be sine theta only. Sine twice pi plus theta will give sine theta only. Okay, means we can write sine twice n omega naught. This is twice pi. 4 pi n means you can write twice into twice pi n. Okay, no problem. This is sine twice pi n omega naught minus sine twice n omega naught. This will be cancelled. We will have only t by 2. Okay. Now come to the one equation a n. N will be how much? T naught to t naught plus twice pi by omega naught ft cos n omega naught t dt by t by 2. So you can write this like this also. Let me write here. You can write this like this also. 2 by t integration t naught plus capital T also write. You can write this also t, capital T ft cos n omega naught t dt. This is nothing but a n. They have asked many times these questions. Okay, this is the derivation of the a n coefficient. Okay, Fourier series coefficient. Please let me know when you complete this.
Sir, completed.
Now we are going to derive the coefficient for Bn. Similarly Bn will here, and we will use this formula only. Cj equal to integration ft gzt by integration gj square t dt only. Similar equation will derive for will use for deriving this Bn coefficient. Okay. So Bn will given how? Limit will be T naught plus 2s pi by omega naught. Ft will be same. Here Bn means the orthogonal function is sine is there. So here sine n omega naught t will come dt by orthogonal function T naught plus 2s pi by omega naught is sine square n omega naught t dt. Okay. So you just do it, you will find similarly. So you can write T naught plus 2s pi by omega naught, here ft sine omega naught t by dt. You here also you will find t by 2. Okay. You will find t by 2 as similarly with the cos term only t by 2. So here also you will find t by 2. Then Bn will be 2 by t integration T naught plus 2s pi by omega naught. Just you should show all the steps. Okay, you should show. Ft sine omega naught t dt. This is the expression for the Bn. What is the expression for An then? A naught? What is the expression for A naught then? A naught means n equal to 0. If you put here also you can find. If you put n equal to 0 here also, n equal to 0 means cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. So from there also you can find. But better is you take Ft like A naught cos 0 and t. Okay. From here also you can take. Then expression will be T naught plus 2s pi by omega naught Ft. Here cos 0 would become 0 omega naught t means 0 only t by integration 2s pi by omega naught. Here you write cos square 0 omega naught t dt. Okay. T naught plus capital T Ft only, because this is 1, this is 1, Ft dt. T naught plus capital T you can write, and dt you can write because 1. So ultimately what we'll get? We'll get 1 by T naught plus capital T Ft dt. Okay. Like that you can derive the coefficient of A naught. Okay. It's similar. Don't put here n equal to 0. It will there 1 by 2 is not similar with that. So with this derivation you can find A naught equal to 1 by T integration T naught to T naught plus T Ft dt. Okay. It's over. I think it's 10:30, 11:30. Do you have any questions? If you have any question, you can ask. Or so can I close? Have you completed?
Sir, one show the integration part of cos n omega t.
Which one?
Previous slide, sir.
Okay. I have to explain, or you just have to write?
Sir, integration of cos 2n omega t will be sine 2n omega naught t by 2n omega naught, no, sir. Here you wrote only sin t, no, sir. We'll get sin 2n omega naught t.
Yes, Revasi. Twice n omega naught t. Okay. Then here I have written like this only. Yeah, first one. They are not coming. Now only I given for A section. I have. So in T you have to put this limit. Okay. When you take this, when you multiply this, then you will get this 4 pi n, no? Like that we have got, okay?
Yes, sir.